In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ClickUp and Slack, creating a seamless integration that will streamline your productivity and collaboration. To get started, we'll first head over to ClickUp. So let's open up ClickUp in your web browser. ClickUp is a highly versatile productivity tool, and integrating it with Slack can simplify your workflow by allowing real-time updates and communication across platforms. Once you're in ClickUp, direct your attention to the workspace name located at the top of your screen. You'll see it's clickable, so go ahead and click on your workspace name. This will take you to a hub where you can configure various settings associated with your workspace. Next, look for the settings option. You'll typically find it in your menu bar on the left-hand side. Clicking on settings will give you access to a range of configuration options, which can be a little overwhelming. But don't worry, we're going to guide you through exactly where you need to go. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the App Center. The App Center is essentially your playground for enhancing ClickUp's capabilities by connecting it with other apps. Once you locate it, click on it to open a directory of apps and integrations. Here, you'll scroll through or use the search function to find Slack. Slack is one of the most popular communication tools used in workplaces today, enabling team members to chat, share files, and collaborate efficiently. It's an ideal app to integrate with ClickUp for synergetic team operations. Go ahead and click on Slack. This will navigate you to an overview page detailing the integration benefits and functionalities. If you're ready to proceed, click on the Connect button. What this does is initiate the authorization process where you will allow ClickUp to access your Slack account. At this stage, you might be prompted to log into Slack if you haven't done so already. Use your Slack credentials to log in. Make sure you're logging into the right Slack workspace, the one you intend to connect with ClickUp. Once logged in, you'll come across a permission screen. This is where you verify what ClickUp will be allowed to access and share within Slack. Carefully review the permissions, and once you're comfortable, click Allow to finalize the connection. With that, you've successfully integrated ClickUp with Slack. You can now benefit from enhanced notifications, turn Slack messages into ClickUp tasks, and receive task updates directly in your Slack channels. This integration can help keep everyone on your team informed and on the same page, making your workflow much more efficient. Be sure to explore the settings to customize how ClickUp interacts with Slack based on your team's needs. And that's it. You've now bridged two powerful platforms, making them work together to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your day-to-day work just a little bit easier.